In today's video, I'll show you how to type correctly by turning on text suggestions in Windows. Text suggestions can help you type faster and more accurately by predicting the words you are typing and offering suggestions for the next word. Let's get started. Right-click on the Start menu and select Settings from there. Once you have opened the settings, click on Time and Language option, then click on Typing. Turn on the toggle switch under Show Text Suggestion when typing on physical keyboard. Now the text suggestion is turned on. You can start typing anywhere, even in Notepad. As you type, you will see suggested words appear above the keyboard. To select a suggestion, simply click on the word or press the up arrow on your keyboard, then select by clicking on the left or right arrow. With text suggestions turned on, you can improve your typing efficiency by using the suggested words instead of typing out the entire word. This can save you time and reduce the chance of typos. So that's how you can type correctly by turning on text suggestion in Windows. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.